Dear guys, it is Emily here, and we are back on I Became a Dog 2. Oh gosh, this game is so diseased. Still just gonna say the same thing. Failed again. Yep, we all know that you failed. Give me this bug, although I can just go fart, and then I just get all of the bugs. I'm not currently being asked to bring anybody any bugs, so I don't see a reason why I should have to, save up the bugs instead of trying to increase my powers. Give us more food. We want more. You know, I'm hangy. Hangry? Angy. Hangry? How do you pronounce this? The bug. I want the bug. Okay. Hey, stupid. Why'd you come all the way to meet the genius dog, Steven? Did you come around for a chance to get some dog food? Aha, if that's the case, you better give up. I'm always watching very carefully, so don't do anything suspicious. This is the last warning for me, Steven. You stupid. This guy is really annoying. To be honest, yeah, he is. Arf, woof, woof, before I woof you. What are you talking about? Hey, you get off, boss? No. Better give us some more food. Come on, more. We need more food. Because I'm not about to do this. Die. Stop eating. Give more bugs. Now. Like, I need all bugs right now. Give golden bugs. And give now. Okay, gonna go update. Actually, no, I kind of want to see what people are gonna... What people? They're people now? Wow. Oh, wait, what were you saying to me? Oh, yeah, I need more dog food first. Okay, what are you saying to me? Arf, get lost before I bite you. Lol, no. Okay, fine. What are you gonna say? No. Huh? She can speak. No. She just says no. Sam, I'm gonna leave this house no matter what. Okay, then. You do that. You do you, buddy. I don't think you're ever gonna leave, but okay. This door's locked. Well, that's just great. There is no time. If we don't woof, woof, but I can't win with this woof woof. We need a more thorough woof. I don't understand you, like, at all. You know what? Give me more power. You, give more power right now. Give right now, homeboy. I can get this. I can also get that, but do I want to? Actually, yeah, I kind of do. I want this ability to upgrade. Ooh, I will get that firepower. I will get that, no matter what. I spawned right next to the food. All of you need to die, like, right now, instantly. I might as well do this while I'm eating so I can just collect bugs. Give bugs and give now. Wow, this is a whole lot of bugs. Give more food and give now. I did not mean to click that. I don't want to play this. Like, is there anything better we can do right now? Like, besides play this? Please. I don't want to play this. I gotta move this around so I don't, like, disconnect. So that my phone doesn't turn off. I gotta move this around. No, I'm just gonna look at, all of our beautiful character faces. Just, wow. I can't even see the faces, but that's okay. Okay, what were you saying? There's no time. If we don't, everyone will die. Can't win with this. We need a ego. What? Did I say ego? Why is that word in my head? Lol, all the food is mine, idiots. If we don't quickly find a solution, everyone will die. But I can't win with this injured body. We need a more thorough plan. His injuries are bad. What happened to you, homeboy? You. No. Okay, well, you said no to me. Huff, huff, this is woof woof. Woof, my woof or woof woof. I don't think I can dig this hole with my woof woof. What? Hey, friend, do you have any woof woof? Yep, I don't understand you, like, at all. Like, come back to me when, you're understandable. Like, when I can actually understand you. All of you need to die. Like, stop eating. Greedy little rats. Idiots. How many do I have? Oh my gosh, yes, I almost have 1,500, which I think is how much I need. Well, actually, no, I'm not that close to 1,500, but that's fine. That's okay. I'm really fast, to be honest. Sony, how many do I need? Okay, so yeah, I need 1,500 for this. I don't even know how much I need. Okay, well, I am gonna bark again for food. Stop eating, like you seriously don't need to eat. Only I do, because I need to understand you guys. Give 500 more. Wait, that's a lot of golden bugs, but I only got a few. It's okay, because I still have golden bugs, and it's great. Oh. Give golden bugs. Me chasing bugs be like, okay, what do you want? Steven. Oh, okay, well, we have to eat now, so doesn't matter what you want. Bro, give food and give now. That's all you have to say? Oh, that's great. Steven, what do you have? Alright, get lost before I bite you. Hey, you get off, boss. Okay. You still just gonna say no to me? Just, me to my sore throat when I want to record. No. Give food and give now. Wait till all the idiots get over here, and then do that part, and then do this part, and then do that part. You guys don't deserve to eat. You freaking idiots. Getting bugs. Okay, what's inside of that freaking chest? Yes. Yes. I can open the red box. Can I really, though? I might as well collect bugs while I'm opening this. I got the dynamite. Bro, hold on now. I got the dynamite. Is you telling me I about to blow something up? Ooh, that is. I would love to do that. Yes, I want to train my abilities because I need more duration of fart. What is this? Duration of poison fart. Hold on now, though. Because, like, I have the ability to. I'm so mad right now. I have the ability to blow this whole place up if I wanted to. But do I want to do that? Or do I really want to do that? Also, you guys may have noticed, but I've started using this, and you guys are probably like, hold on now, I am true confusion. Like, where is the other thing you used to use to record? So that one, it just keeps freezing and it refuses to work. So I found I had this one on my phone, and I was like, oh, I remember this. I stopped using it because I don't know why I stopped using it. I just did. But you know I did, so. Alright, Buster. Give food and give now. And get noob and get noob now. Me collecting bugs while I'm eating, like. Just give me the bugs. Give buggos and give now. Give golden buggos and give now. Okay, I'm going back. I accidentally collected that one, but you know, that's great. I want to increase this. Fast eating. Ooh. Wait a minute.